Let's see how to draw a supply function. We will be working with straight lines, but in the case of supply functions, there are three different cases we may want to consider. So let's say we know the supply equations for three different commodities. For example, let's say that the quantity supply of commodity A is equal to 3 times the price. Now the quantity supplied of commodity B is equal to 10 plus the price. And finally, the quantity supply of commodity C is equal to minus 10 plus 2p. Alright, the first thing we should notice is that in any of these cases there is a direct or a positive relationship between the price and the quantity supplied. This is anytime the price increases, the quantity supplied will also increase, and anytime the price decreases, the quantity supplied will decrease. This is due to the fact that the number multiplying p, or the slope of each of these equations, is a positive number. Remember that we give a name to this positive relationship. This positive relationship between price and quantity supplied is what we call the law of supply. Alright, in order to represent any straight line, we need 2 points. Moreover, 2 points are just enough what we need in order to draw the line. So, let's start by representing the first supply. We're going to construct a simple table with values for the price and the quantity supplied of the commodity. Okay, let's start by assigning 0 to the price. So if the price is 0, producers of this commodity will be willing to supply 3 times 0 equal to 0. Alright, if instead of 0 the price is, let's say, 20, producers of this commodity will supply 3 times 20 equal to 60. So we have 2 points that are just enough what we need in order to represent the supply. So let's place the quantity supplied, or the quantity, in the horizontal axis and the price on the vertical axis. So we said that when the price is 0, quantity supplied will be 0, so we have a point at the origin, and when the price is 20, let's say 20 is here, the quantity supplied is 60. So we have 2 points along the supply. We can draw the line going through these 2 points, and we have the supply function for commodity A. Alright, let's use the rest of the blackboard to represent the supply of commodity B. Again, we are to construct a simple table with values for P and the quantity supplied of commodity B. Alright, in this case, when the price is 0, producers will supply 10 plus 0 equal to 10. If the price is 20, the quantity supplied will be 10 plus 20 equal to 30 units. Again, we are going to place the price on the vertical axis and the quantity on the horizontal axis. We have quantity and price. we mentioned that in this case, when the price is 0, the quantity supplied is 10, so we have a point along the supply, and when the price is 20, the quantity supplied is 30. We have the second point along supply, and now we can draw the line going through these 2 points, and we have the supply for commodity B. Alright, we still need to represent the supply of commodity C. So let me copy the equation one more time. Remember, the quantity supplied of commodity C is equal to minus 10 plus 2 times the price. Alright, so let's start by finding the 2 values we need: price and quantity supplied of commodity C. If the price is 0, the quantity supplied of commodity C would be minus 10 plus 2 times 0, and this is equal to minus 10. Well, although mathematically the quantity supplied for a price of 0 is minus 10, this makes no economic sense. So we won't be able to use this combination or this point along supply. We still need 2 more points. So you can ask yourself instead, at which price the quantity supplied is 0. So if we want to find the price such that the quantity supplied is 0, we can set quantity supplied equal to 0 and solve for the price. So what we will be doing here is we set quantity supplied of commodity C to 0, equal to 0, and we solve for the price. So we have 0 is equal to minus 10 plus 2p. We can add 10 to either side of the equality, so we will have 10 is equal to 2p, and we can solve by dividing either side by 2. So 10 divided by 2 is equal to 2p divided by 2. Clearly 2 divided by 2 is 1, so they cancel out, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So we get the price is equal to 5. Alright, so when the price is equal to 5, the quantity supplied is 0, and when the price is equal to 20, the quantity supplied will be minus 10 plus 2 times 20, and 2 times 20 is 40, so 40 minus 10 is 30 units. Alright, so we have the 2 points we needed in order to represent supply. So let's clear this blackboard so we can draw the line. Alright, so now that we have some room here in this blackboard, let's use the values in the table to represent the supply of commodity C. As before, we will use the vertical axis to represent the price and the horizontal axis to represent the quantity. So we have quantity and price. Now, according to the table, when the price is 5, the quantity supplied is 0. So when the price is 5, the quantity supplied is 0. We have 1 point along the supply function. Now, according to the table, when the price is 20, let's put 20 here, when the price is 20, the quantity supplied is 30. So let's place 30 here. So we have the second point along supply. So now we can draw the line going through these 2 points, and we have the supply equation or the supply function for commodity C.